Hello everyone, myself Bhumi Patel, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Instrumentation and Control. Today's our topic is multiplexer and the KMM in the unit number 3, the fundamentals of logic. In the last session, we will discuss about the different types of adder like the full adder and the half adder. Then we will study about the truth table of the full adder and the half adder, and then we have to draw the ladder logic diagram using the Boolean equation. Okay, and then we will study about the decoder circuit, the block diagram of the decoder, truth table, and last the ladder logic diagram of the decoder. Now today we will study about the multiplexer. Okay, so first of all, what is the multiplexer? A multiplexer is also known as the data selector, is a device that selects between the several analog or the digital input signals and forwards the selected input to a single output line. As we discussed in the chapter number 2, analog module and the input module and the output module, whenever the data is going from input to the output module, it is converted into the different module like the module 2, module 4 and module 8 and module 16. So the multiplexer is a one type of the data selected that select the input signal from the analog or the digital, and then it is forwarded the selected input to the single output line. So the selection is directed. A separate set of the digital input is known as the selected line. Okay, it's known as the select lines. Now how we can select the lines? If we have 2 raised to n data, okay, so we have n selection line. So depending upon the data, we have to decide the selection line. Okay, if we have 4 input, okay, so 2 raised to 4 or the 4 input, at that time we have 2 selection line. So this is the block diagram of the multiplexer. Here we will study about the 4 cross 1 multiplexer. We have also available 8 cross 1 multiplexer, 16 cross 1 multiplexer, 32 cross 1 multiplexer. So in the 4 cross 1 multiplexer, here you can see that we have 4 inputs, I0, I1, I2 and I3, and for that only one output, and the name of the output is the Y, and 4 cross 1 multiplexer have 2 select line S1 and S0. If we have drawn the 8 cross 1 multiplexer, in that we have 8 input lines, 1 output lines and 4 selection line. So the name indicates that how many inputs and output in the particular multiplexer. As you noted, every multiplexer we have different number of many inputs lines, but we have only one output. Okay, so this is the truth table of the multiplexer. We have 2 selection line S1 and S2, and Y is my output signal, so this is my output. Okay, and E, what is E? E indicate the enable input. Enable input must be on for the multiplexer. So the enable pin must be as a high. Okay, so here you can see that whenever the enable is 1, then we have decided the condition for the selection line. Here 2 selection line is there. So we have 4 possibilities, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, and depending upon the selection line we can get the output. If both the selection line is low, we can get the D0 output. Okay, if both is both S1 is 0 and S2 S0 is 1, we can get D1. For 1 0 we can get D2, and for 1 1 we can get D3. Okay, so what is the equation for the output? So output is depend in all the 4 outputs. So we can write the equation like this manner. Enable is compulsory on. So E S1 complement, S0 complement and D0. This is my first condition. For the second, plus enable S1 complement S0 D1 plus enable S1 S0 complement D2 plus E S1 S0 D3. Okay. Now, if we want to take enable as a common term, so we can write the equation like this manner. Y is equal to E in this bracket S1 complement S0 complement D0 plus S1 complement S0 D1 plus S1 S0 complement D2 and the last term is S1 S0 D3. So this is my equation for the output. Now here you can see that the fifth condition, if enable is 0, means the enable pin is low. So whatever the selection line is there, we cannot get the output. Okay, so the must condition for the multiplexer is the enable must be high for this particular system. Okay, so this is the equation for the multiplexer. Now the third step is we have to draw the ladder logic diagram depending upon the equation. So first of all we have to draw the enable pin as a normally open contact. So we can put here enable is the common for the all possibility. Then the first condition is S1 complement S0 complement and the third one is D0. Here you can see that D0, that time the Y is on, so we can put here D0 and this is my output Y. Okay, now the second condition for the output is S1 complement S0 as it is and D1 we can put in the parallel connection because all the term in the addition. Now the next condition is S1 is a normally open contact, S0 is connected for the normally closed because here S1 S0 complement and D2 for the normally open contact and the fourth possibility is both the inputs, both the selection line is high and the input is D3, that time the output should be on. So this is the ladder logic diagram for the multiplexer. Okay, so the first condition is if both the selection line is low and first input is there, we can get the output. So this is the all four conditions for the multiplexer. So this is the ladder logic diagram for the 4x1 multiplexer. Clear? Now the next topic is K-map. We have to draw the ladder diagram for the following K-map equation and the function is given function of A, B, C that is equal to 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. So first of all we have to follow the K-map and write down the Boolean expression using this function. So here for the 0 we can put here 1. Okay. Now the next one is for the 1. So this is my 1. Then 2 and 3. This is my 4 and 5. Then 6 and 7. Clear? Now we have to make the pair. So we can take this 2, 1. This 2, 1 and this 2, 1. So the equation will become like this manner. Y that is equal to, for this 1, 1 we can write B bar C bar plus for this 2, 1 we can write A bar into C because here the 1 is common and 1 for the C and here 2, 1 A as it is and we can write the B common term. So this is the equation for the K-map that you have to study in the digital logic design subject. Now our target is we have to draw the ladder logic diagram for this particular function. So just put the equation, write down the equation again. Y is equal to B bar C bar plus A bar C plus AB. So A bar C plus AB. So simply we have to draw the ladder logic diagram using the series and parallel connection. So B complement C complement are in the multiplication. So we can put here normally close contact for the both input B and C and put in the series connection plus A bar into C. So we can put in the parallel connection with A bar. Sorry, here you have to write compulsory A input and we can put here complement, and C as it is normally open contact, and the third input is A into B. So we can put here A and B, and this is my input possibility and this is my output bar. Okay, so this is the ladder diagram for this particular K-map equation. Now the next equation is draw the ladder logic diagram for the following function, and function is given A, B, C, D and the term is given. So first of all we can put the value of the 1 or 0 in the K map. So put as a 0, 1, 1, this is 0, 1, 2 and 3, then 4, 5, 6 and 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is my pair and this is my second pair, 1, 1, and again we can put here 1, 1. We can also make the 4, 1 pair. So what is the equation for this particular K-map? So the Y is equal to, first of all, for the 8, 1 pair we can get the common term is C bar. Okay, so we can write here Y is equal to C bar plus, here for the 2, 1 we can write A bar into C B bar. So A bar into C B bar plus the second pair is B into C D bar. So we can write here B into C D bar. Okay, so this is the equation for this particular K-map. Now the next step is we have to draw the ladder logic diagram for this particular equation. So simply put the input, so C complement first of all, then next in the parallel connection A bar C B bar. So A bar as a normally closed contact, then the C normally open contact and the D as a normally closed contact. So this is my second input, and the third one is the B C D bar. So we can put here B C as a normally open contact, and then we can connect the D as a normally closed contact because D is in the complement form and Y is my output for this particular K-map. Okay, so using this K-map method we can simply draw the ladder logic diagram for this particular function. Now next example is draw the ladder logic diagram for the following. Here the pi is given. Okay, so we can first of all we have to write the position of the 1. So at the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, that's it. So first of all we have to make the pad this 4, 1, the upper 2 and the lower 1. Okay, next we have to make the pad this 2, 1 and this 2, 1. Okay, so what is the equation for this particular K-map? So Y is equal to first 4, 1. So we can write the equation like this two manner. What is the common? 0 is common, 0 for y dash. Okay, and here x dash is common. So we can write here x plus y. Okay, then into this for 2 1, 0 is common and 0 for omega, and for this plus y plus z complement. Okay, and for this 2 1, 0 is common and 0 for x, so x plus y complement plus z. So this is my equation for this particular KMS. Now the last step is we have to draw the ladder logic diagram. So first of all we have to write the equation. So y is equal to x plus y into w plus y plus z complement, w plus y plus z complement into x plus y complement plus z, x plus y complement plus z. Okay, now draw the ladder diagram. So x plus y. So put x and y in the parallel connection. So this is my x input and this is my y input. Okay, then multiplication with w plus y plus z complement. So we can put here w, y, and z complement means normally close contact. Okay, and then x plus y complement plus z. So this is my x, this is my y complement, and this is my z as a normally open contact. Here, and y is my output. You can take here y as input and output, so you can take here the name of the output as a A. So A is my output signal. Okay, so this is the ladder logic diagram for this particular KMS. So using the equation, we can easily draw the ladder logic diagram. Thank you everyone. If anyone have doubt, then contact me in my email ID.